In this video, we're going to work on Stella by Starlight. We'll work on a chord melody arrangement for it. If you really like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. You can also turn on the bell icon to stay up to date with new things that I'm doing. All right, well, we're going to keep this really simple, so you might use this as a starting off point for your own arrangement. But I'm going to go through the chords and the melody, the shapes, positions, and all of that. So let's get started. So I'm here in 8th position. I start with this note. Okay, and then I'm shifting down 1 fret and including this chord. So we have E minor 7 flat 5. Here's our chord. Don't actually have the 3rd in there, but this is the chord we're using. Okay. And then I'm going down to A7. Okay, and then going into C minor 7. F7. And then we have F minor 7. B flat 7, and then E flat major, so that's A flat 7, and then B flat major, and then E minor 7 flat 5, A7, and then D minor 7, B flat minor 7. Now we're going to F major, E minor 7 flat 5, A7, A minor 7 flat 5, to D7. We have G7, C minor 7, A flat 7, B flat major. Okay. And then we're going to come back up here, 8th position. That's A7. Now D minor 7 flat 5. And then C minor 7 flat 5. F7 to B flat major. Okay, so that's basically a run through of the tunes, the chords, and the melody. Basically just the shapes that I'm using. All right, well, let's try it out together. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope it helps. If you need additional help with the tune, please get in touch with me, and you can find more information about me in the description below. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Have a great practice session.